Rajiv is on the phone line. He's calling in from Faridabad. Yes, go ahead, Rajiv. After that, I'm coming to you, Dinesh. This is a joke. This is unacceptable. Yes,
Mr.
Rajiv.
Goswami.
Yeah.
Mr. Goswami.
Yes, Rajiv.
You were threatened by one of the BJP persons yesterday.
Yes, I was.
That you are going for contempt of the speaker's permission on to the MLAs.
Yes.
Now these legislatures are deceiving the government, deceiving the speaker, forget the people of country.
Yes.
They are not concerned with the country or the people. Now, isn't this contempt applicable to them?
You've made a good point, but you know, but Rajiv, if you saw last night's program, I said very clearly to the BJP person that I am not intimidated by your attempt to threaten me on the news. It did work.
Nothing happened to you, but these MLAs, isn't this contempt applicable to them?
I'm telling you one thing, Rajiv. All I'd say is today the phone calls are coming in from all over the country on this subject. Before I go to Abhideep from Kolkata, Dinesh Gundurao, call off this junket. Call back the people who are in Peru and Brazil in Rio de Janeiro now and tell these MLAs who we have exposed today that they cannot go. Why can't you do that? Why can't you do that? Why don't you say I'll resign if you allow this to carry on?
There have been sweeping remarks made by a lot of people deriding all the politicians, which I don't think is correct. There are a lot of MLAs who are not going. There are a lot of MLAs who refuse to go. And there are a lot of MLAs who put in a lot of work on a day-to-day basis attending to the people's problems. Don't deride everyone and say that
is
they
no
are in a
defense.
vegetative state.
That is
but
no
at
defense.
the same time, there is no defense for whoever is going abroad at this point of time, because it's not even a study tour. This is definitely a holiday. We have no qualms about saying that. So I think the government itself should be held responsible, because why even allow them to go?
Because let me tell you,
speaker making statements instead of cancelling the financial,
Dinesh,
allowing them to go.
Dinesh, let me tell you, one of these MLAs,
right?
One of these MLAs.
There's no point in just talking about it. Just do it.
One of these MLAs told our reporter, does Times Now have a personal problem if we have a holiday? I said, we have no personal problem. You go ahead, save your money, and go to Antarctica for a holiday if you want to. But the point is, there is a Congress MLA. Let me answer your question. There is a Congress MLA who is from a constituency where there is such a shortage of fodder today because of the situation that farmers don't have basic drinking water for their domestic animals. And that MLA, when his people are in this condition, is going to study the fur industry in Helsinki, is going to visit the Great Pyramids of Pisa, right? He's going to visit the boulevards of Stockholm.
I'm sure that
he's going to go shopping in Denmark.
At them and they will teach them a lesson.
He is going to study cruise tourism. He is going to study cruise tourism. Let me show this part. People of India need to see this. They are going to study cruise tourism in Stockholm. Your people are dying. Even their animals don't have drinking water, and they are going to study cruise tourism in Stockholm. Abhideep is calling in from Kolkata. Yes, Abhideep.
Yeah. Good evening, Mr. Arnab Goswami. This is not only a case for state MLAs of Karnataka. Across India, what I feel personally, every bureaucrats and top officials are taking advantage of politicians because they know that the case will be suppressed after a few months, or because of our country's law, because it is like politicians think their comfort is first and common man's comfort is last. But who cares? This is my simple question.
No, but so you see, Abhideep, thank you for your phone call. What this is actually telling us, Seshadri Chari's people across India are angry. You know, and I want to tell people more about this trip, because one of the parts of this trip is to go to Little Mermaid Street in Copenhagen, where there is a wealth of shops which has some of the world's most expensive brands. And from then on, go to Denmark, where you spend an entire day at an aquarium. And from there you go to Oslo, and then you go to Stockholm, and you spend an entire day at the Royal Palace in Stockholm. I mean, this is a study tour, Seshadri Chari. Why are the central leaderships of the BJP and the Congress silent? Why are the central BJP leaders silent? This is not big enough an issue?
Arnav, you have made enough virtue of the whole issue.
Why?
Now let me tell you, I have categorically said in the first place, even before all your callers called up and told you about politician bashing, I have point blank said that this was an unnecessary visit, and this visit can be cancelled.
But it's not cancelled.
The problem is, if the chief minister or the person concerned in the BJP, Congress or JDU is unable to cancel it, it's a different issue. But what is important is,
why
there has been an absolutely no holds barred visit outside the country at the expense of the taxpayers' money.
Why is it difficult to cancel it? No, please tell me, Mr. Chari, why is it difficult to cancel it?
Let me tell you one thing. These trips will have to be, they have been approved in the first place.
So
and
what?
If this has to be cancelled, this cancellation has to take place at a different level. These trips have to be cancelled.
So what?
Cancelling it, Arnav. It's a simple decision.
I don't know if it's so difficult to cancel. The whole country is saying cancel it. No, I want to know how visiting Mr. Seshadri Chari,
just because the whole country, just because the whole country is saying this trip has to be cancelled, it cannot be cancelled.
Wow, fantastic. Please tell me why. No, please tell me why. Please tell me why it cannot be cancelled.
I am telling you why.
Why?
I am telling you why. If
Yes.
you allow me to talk, I will tell you why.
Tell me why it's so urgent to have this trip.
I cannot tell you. I am telling you why. I am telling you why.
Yes.
I am telling you why.
Yes, I'm listening.
Do you have the patience to listen?
I am listening. I want to know why this trip is so important.
These trips, Arnav Goswami, these trips are cancelled on their own merit. This issue has been raised. We will have to find out why this trip was sanctioned.
Mr. Chari, Mr. Chari, this is you say. I want to know the merit. No, Mr. Chari, you are Mr. Chari, you are giving me a technical statement. Mr. Chari,
Arnav Goswami, the information that you have.
Yes.
The information, Arnav Goswami, information that you have, I do not have.
No,
you have
so
told
please,
me that they are having a meeting at 9 o'clock.
Mr. Seshadri Chari, I want to follow up with one small question to you.
You should also
Mr. Chari,
you should also have the habit of listening.
Mr. Chari,
I am not going to listen to
Chari, will you take a question?
Not at all.
Will you take a question? Will you take a question?
No, I cannot take a question. I am going to take a question. I am going to ask you a question. I am going to ask you a question.
Yes, please ask.
I have told you very clearly that this trip is preposterous. This has to be cancelled in the first place.
Okay, so
having said that,
you are then showing procedure.
There have been innumerable instances.
So what?
Innumerable instances of journalists hankering after ministers.
Well, talk to a journalist, Mr. Chari. Mr. Chari, don't try that, because you can talk to a journalist. No, 1 minute. Mr. Chari, I am not among the journalists who hanker after. So your weak attempt to try and put that issue.
No, I am not talking
so then don't say that. No, one second. On this channel, let me tell you one thing. No, don't do this. No, Mr. Chari, don't do this. This is a false attempt. This is a weak attempt, and let me put it on record here today. This is not a channel that goes for junkets. I am not a person who goes on just. So don't say that, Mr. Chari. Your weak attempt. Don't distract the issue. No, don't distract the issue. My question to you is very simple, Mr. Chari.
No, I did not.
My question to you is.
I did not mention times now.
Mr. Chari, let me tell you.
You cannot speak on.
Mr. Chari, why are you avoiding the issue?
You cannot speak on behalf of all the journalists.
Mr. Chari,
I am not avoiding you.
Mr. Chari,
I am trying to answer you.
Mr. Chari, journalists don't go on taxpayer expense anyway. That is not the issue. The question which I am asking you is very simple. I have proof.
I want to say something.
1 minute, Mr. Scindia, before I come to you, I have proof that this is a holiday. And in my hand is the proof. Also, your chief minister.
Arnav, I told you.
Your chief minister says these people,
Arnav,
this should not happen.
I don't have to see the proof that you have got.
No. Allow me to ask you a question.
That you have got.
Allow me to ask you a question. No, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question.
Let me answer your
my question to you is 3 days back.
Previous question.
3 days back. 3 days back, Times Now exposed the first junket. At that time, your party and your chief minister said it's a bad thing. How is it, please tell me, Mr. Chari, that you are saying that junket is a bad thing, but on that very day that you say this junket is a bad thing, you clear another junket on the very same day. And had we not got this paper, this junket would have happened. So is the moral of the story that anything that is not caught is okay?
I think
that junket was bad. The decision was taken to cancel that. Let me please answer. I don't want any other person to interject in this. And this junket is also cancelled, and this junket will also be called back. And if any MLA wants to go on a foreign trip on his own, he is free to go. The issue is not whether one has to go on a foreign trip or not. This junket is also being cancelled. We are looking into the whole issue.
And
what is more important, I am telling you, is the problem is we do not have parameters. And you can discuss this till the cows come home, but if you are not going to institute parameters,
let me tell you,
not going to solve this problem.
You know, Mr. Chari, I am a very optimistic person by nature, and I believe that change happens when people are made to believe and they are presented with evidence that what they are doing is wrong. You can keep saying that there is no change that's going to happen till the cows come home, but I believe that if you are saying also at the same time today that the past junket and this junket is cancelled, I believe that is change. And I believe the voice of the people of this country coming across in numerous phone calls today will send that message home that don't take the Indian taxpayer and the Indian citizen for granted. Now Nilesh wants to call in from Mumbai. One caller from Mumbai is coming in, but before that, Viren, you want to say something?
Yeah, what I'm saying is that we should, first of all, I should thank Times Now to exposing this, and because of this expose, these ministers are being exposed to the Times Now and to the people of country. What I'm saying is that they should be given a one-way ticket. They should not be brought back. Let them stay there.
That's an overreaction, of course.
Yes, of course. That's the only way these guys will learn. Otherwise, what is happening? They are doing tourism
my question
on the taxpayers' money.